get your hair fixed in time for the party.
Oh, yes, I will.
Gee, your sister's hair sure looks groovy.
Well, Janie can thank Kenner's Easy Curl. Why, would you believe? Less than an hour ago.
Yes, Kenner's Easy Curl Quick Hair Setting Kit is made especially for girls like you. Special rollers are gently warmed in the Easy Curler. Just clip them on, and in minutes, you have styled your hair just like a grown-up girl. Beautiful curls that last and last. Kenner's Easy Curl Quick Hair Setting Kit comes complete with 8 rollers and a hairstyling booklet, so you choose the style you like best.
Easy curl, hair just like a grown-up girl. Easy curl, watch it swing and watch it swirl.
Easy Curl by Kenner.